Welcome to the pets lesson. Pronunciation. Plural S, voiceless sounds. Ending letter F, roof, roof. Plus S, roofs, roofs. Practice sentence. The flat roofs, the flat roofs. Ending letter K. Seek, seek. Plus S, seeks, seeks. Practice sentence. He seeks for gold. He seeks for gold. Ending letter P. Shop, shop. Plus S, shops, shops. Practice sentence. The shops are open. The shops are open. Ending letter PH. Graph, graph. Plus S, graphs, graphs. Practice sentence. There are two graphs. There are two graphs. Ending letter T. Pet, pet. Plus S, pets, pets. Practice sentence. Her pets are playing. Her pets are playing. Ending letter TH. Moth, moth. Plus S, moths, moths. Practice sentence. Look for moths. Look for moths.